then implement electrical resistance in a circuit. Resistor can reduce voltage, adjust signal, and adjust current.
Here we see a capacitor. A capacitor is a passive circuit element that store potential energy in the circuit. Capacitor effect in the circuit is called capacitance.
-1/RCI. And then we need to integral this part and this part together. When we integral, we get ln I equals to -1/RC, -1/RC t plus c. When we integral, we will get t, and when we integrate this one, we will get ln. And then we can add exponent in both sides so that the exponent ln
For the impressed voltage, we can use two different types of current. We can either use direct current or alternating current. When we are using alternating current, we can see that the waveform of the capacitor and the resistor are shown as here, as simulated. And when we are using AC alternating current, we can see that the waveforms are different from the DC simulation.
From what we see, what we shown here, this is our prototype. We can see that this is the resistor and the capacitor. And this is the drive voltage used for the circuit. From this, we can see that the bulb will charge and discharge over time. But due to the fact that we use a very low capacitance capacitor, the discharge and charging time are quite low. So here is our prototype. That's all.
Let's see the learning issues we can obtain from our project. How does the input and output related? The Kirchhoff's voltage law, which states that the sum of potential differences across a closed loop circuit is zero. So in RC circuit, the differential equation that relates the KVL of the circuit is V out is voltage across the capacitor. Secondly, what would be the suitable value of resistor and capacitor and impress voltage? Having a large resistor and capacitor would give us a larger time constant. Moreover, we can attain a precise value. Besides that, what type of wire that you will choose to use? We choose to use copper wire because it is light and easy to handle. The resistance is very small and it is highly conductive. Lastly, what is your plan for further learning? To build a prototype referring to a chapter 7.5 step response of an RC circuit in fundamental of electric circuits.